Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject mathematics part 2. In mathematics part 2 we will study here next part of chapter circle. In a figure, the circle with center A and B touch each other at E. Line L is a common tangent which touches the circle at C and D respectively. Find the length of segment CD if the radii of the circle are 4 cm and 6 cm. See this figure. Construction. Draw segment AF perpendicular to segment BD. This segment AF is perpendicular on segment BD. This is our construction. First, the circle with center A and B touch each other at E. This is a point of touching that is given by the theorem of touching circles. Here A dash E dash B. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. Here angle ACD, angle ACD is equal to angle BDC. BDC is equal to 90 degree. Why? Tangent theorem. Angle AFD is equal to 90 degree. This angle AFD is equal to 90 degree by the construction. Therefore, angle CAF is equal to 90 degree. Angle CAF is equal to 90 degree. Remaining angle of quadrilateral rectangle AFDC. Therefore, quadrilateral AFDC is a rectangle. Therefore, AC is equal to DF is equal to 4. This AC is equal to DF is equal to 4 cm. Opposite sides of a rectangle. Now, BD is equal to BF plus DF. This BD is equal to BF plus DF. B dash F dash C. Therefore, 6 is equal to BF plus 4. BF is equal to 2 cm. The distance between the centers of circle touching externally is equal to the sum of their radii. Also, therefore, AB is equal to AE plus EB. AB is equal to AE plus EB. 4 plus 6. Therefore, is equal to 10 cm. Length of the segment AB is equal to 10 cm. In triangle AFB, angle AFB is equal to 90 degree. AB square plus is equal to AF square plus BF square by Pythagoras theorem. AF square is equal to 10 square minus 2 square. AF square is equal to 96 and therefore AF is equal to 4 square root 6. Therefore, AF is equal to CD. AF is equal to CD is equal to 4 square root 6 centimeter. Arc of a circle. In this figure, AYB, this arc AYB is a major arc and arc AXB is a minor arc. A secant divide the circle in two parts, any one of these two parts, and the common points of the circle and the secant constituent an arc of the circle. central angle. What is meaning of central? When the vertex of an angle is the center of a circle, it is called a central angle. See this figure. Angle AOB is a central angle. O is the center of a circle, and angle AOB is a central angle. Measure of minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. In figure, measure of central angle AOB is a theta. Measure of the central angle AOB is equal to theta. And therefore, measure of minor arc APB is also theta. This measure of minor arc APB is also theta. Measure arc 360 minus measure of corresponding minor arc. In figure, measure of major arc AQB, this AQB is equal to 360 minus measure of minor arc APB, 360 minus theta. Measure of semicircular arc, that is of a semicircle, is 180 degree. Fourth, measure of complete circle is 360 degree. Two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal. Sixth, arc DE and arc ZF are congruent is written in symbol as arc DE is congruent to arc ZF. Property of sum of measure of arcs. Theorem: the chords corresponding to the congruent arcs of a circle or congruent circles are congruent. See this figure. Given in a circle with center B, this is B is the center of circle, arc APC, this arc APC is congruent to arc DQE. To prove chord AC is congruent to chord DE, this chord AC is congruent to chord DE. Proof: in triangle ABC and triangle DBE, ABC, this triangle, and triangle DBE, side AB is congruent to side DB. This side AB is congruent to side DB. Why? Radii of circle. Side BC is congruent to side BE. This BC is congruent to side BE. Radii of circle. Angle ABC is congruent to angle DBE. Measure of congruent arcs. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBE by side angle side congruency test, and therefore chord AC is congruent to chord D. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles.